Jindal School's budding chefs Yash and Atamaya are back with another innovative low-carb recipe. Today, they are indulging in low-carb and sugar-free chocolate ice cream. This ice cream is made creamier and healthier by adding avocado to the recipe. The unsweetened cocoa powder in this recipe is perfect to mask the flavor of avocado. Also, the bitter chunks of dark chocolate in this recipe cuts the sweetness of this ice cream. Ingredients required for this keto ice cream are 2 avocados, 1 cup of full-fat coconut milk, half a cup of whipping cream, and unsweetened cocoa powder, about 100 grams of chocolate chips and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. For sweetness, we will be using combination of 2 sugar-free sweeteners, half a cup of erythritol and 1 teaspoon of stevia powder. The combination of these 2 sugar-free sweeteners prevents any bitter aftertaste. Let's start by adding scooped avocado, coconut milk, whipping cream and vanilla extract in a bowl. Use a handheld blender to puree the avocado and mix in all the ingredients. The next step is to add the cocoa powder and the 2 sweeteners. Blend or whisk the ice cream mixture again. It's time to stir in the dark chocolate pieces. Pour the mixture into your ice cream container. Freeze this avocado chocolate ice cream for 6 hours. You do not require an ice cream churner to make this recipe. Enjoy ice cream guilt-free, as each serving of this chocolate ice cream has only 4 grams of net carbohydrates. If you like to see more such videos, do subscribe to our channel and receive timely updates on new recipes.